Hey guys, so we had a couple of issues, but I'm going to clear off for you now. There's just a lot of wires that come with this kit, and it's just so easy to get confused. So you get the main harness. Essentially what the main harness is doing is replacing the old radio. So the old radio, there's no connections that go in there. I got confused because I thought this and this need to go in the old radio and it wasn't matching, so I was really confused. But actually the old radio is just redundant, you don't use it anymore. So this connects to the original black wire. You then put all the wires through through there, and then it goes from the side and it comes out up here. What you then need is, the important ones that you need is this one here. There is also a power one. Where is it? It's this one. This black one is the power one. This one here, again, it's redundant, nothing goes in here. So this one here from the old screen is meant to go in here, but what happens is it creates a airbag issue, okay? And it's just, I don't think there's a way to remove it. So I think this wire is completely redundant. I think I might just remove it. I'll see if I can, because it's useless, you don't do anything with it. You want to connect this and where's the small one? This small one here. Okay, and then the wires go through, and then from the bottom you want to make sure this is connected to the right place. So here I've connected it to this CAN bus thing, and then I've put this with that. Okay, what I did previously is I connected this with that, so this one here with that, and then I was like, why is the power not turning on? Well, because this is not connected to anything. So you connect it to this one here, like that, okay? And then you put this CAN bus thing here. And that will power on the machine. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting a front camera and a rear camera as well. So I'm trying to figure out all the wiring as well, because I have like random stuff, like I've got these cables here, which I'm assuming are for some sort of video or something. But they're just useless, like I don't need them. I don't know why. It just all comes in the same place. So there's a lot of wire tucking that we're going to have to do in a bit. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So after that is done, what I'm trying to figure out now is how to do the reversing lights. So if I just show you the actual unit, you get this fan belt which you connect here, and then you get all these cables. So I'm just quickly kind of trying to figure out which goes where. So I believe there's one here that says video out. There we go. So this one I believe is for the reverse camera. This one here is for the mic. There then is one for the power. So let me show you something. So for the reverse camera, you get a couple things. Okay, you get this cable. Let me just find the camera. Oh my god, there's so many wires. Okay. This is the reverse camera, okay, and this has two wires. This one's the power, and this one's the earth wire. This connects to that, so let me just show you for a second. These connect together, okay, and then this connects to the reverse light, I believe. Okay, so you splice into the reverse light. This one then connects to this, which will be the earth wire. Okay, now that's going to be probably fairly easy. Again, I could be wrong. I'm going to test this out in a bit, and then I'll re-record some of this stuff. Okay, so this is the earth. This is alive. This connects here to the reverse camera. On the other end, it comes out like this. This then connects to the video out. What I'm trying to figure out is where does this go? Okay. Now in the diagram they gave, they said where is it? So in the diagram they gave, they said you got the rear camera. This wire is connected to negative, these connect together. This connects to the power supply. Okay, and then this connects to the device. And then this says connect the reverse gear detection line. And I'm trying to figure out where this goes. I'll figure out how to do it and do it in a second. What we're also trying to do is we're trying to set up the front camera. So this is like a dash cam, and it records everything. This is connected by USB. So what you need to do is you need to use one of your USB dongles that comes with it. This connects in here, and then this you can put sort of anywhere where it can connect, and then these two connect together. This connects to the actual camera. The only thing is, the camera does not come with... Oh, it does actually. This one does. So some of them don't come with an SD card. This one does, which is good. But this is the camera. You can sort of adjust it, and then it connects by this wire. You don't need to like install the latest software and things like that, which I'll show you later on. Okay, so let's give it a go. This is a T20. Goes in here. These connect to the headlight. We're going to test the wires to see which one is the reverse one. So we got the overmeter here. We got the wire from the inside, and basically I checked all of them, and I found that this one here, second to last, is the one. So if I do this, you will see, let me just hold this. If I do that and I hold it, you can see here there's power. Now remove the reverse. Yep, see now it's gone down to 0. Put it back in reverse. Yep, see now we got power again. So this confirms that this is the wire. Okay. So we have this wire. We need to go through here, from here, from here, from here, and then this is the wire that we need, this light grey one. Okay, so first we remove this. I go here. So what I'm going to do is I just want to release it through here, and then I'm going to stitch it up through there, and then I'm just going to close this again because this will not fit through here. Okay, so now so guys, what we're going to do, I've got some Gorilla double-sided tape. This double-sided tape is actually really strong. I'm going to take that, I'm going to stick it like this. Okay. And of course, if it falls off, it will still be attached by the wire, so you can always readjust that. Okay. This is actually really strong. I use it on my spoiler, and you know, it's stuck just fine. Just popping out. Okay. Now, let's do this and let me show you. Inside. Never. Okay, then we've got the 2 wires. And this one, over here. This will connect with the earth, which will connect in a second. And this one connects with okay. And this connects with the grey wire that we picked. And I believe we're going to find the earth as well. Okay, so to do this, first of all, we find the wire that we want, which is the grey one. So we can put this, I'm just going to open the sleeve up a little bit. Adding a bit more space for me. I'll put this, open this up, put this wire through this. Add a bit more space and then open it up. Just like that. And then there we go, now that's in. Let me go in the second one. There we go. And then we put this wire here. So I'm going to cut this bit off. Okay, and then I'm going to put this like that. Then I'm going to put this like that. And then as I put it in, I need to really squeeze. If I go, how do I do this? I need pliers. Give me a second. Put this in. Don't have pliers, but I'm going to use this instead. Okay, now it's secured. Close this in properly. Just like that. Okay. So now we're going to test this out. So I don't know if I actually need the earth wire as well. I might take this off, I'm not sure. So I'm going to connect it up and I'm going to plug in everything again. I don't know why I did that. This will connect with this, and this will connect with this here. So I need to make it a solid connection. So let's deal with the red one first. Okay. So first things first. Okay, and now we have to figure out what we're going to do with the earth. So there's a big earth over here, and let's figure out how best to place it. tuck all the wires in there. Let's tap this now. Oh, I think it seems to open. Ah, okay. So there's no way to download anything. This comes with it. As you can see, it's connecting. And what settings do we have? What is this? Format, if I press on setup, recording, playback. I'm just seeing the settings, seeing what works, but it seems to connect automatically. There's no need to do anything. Okay, so it seems to be quite plug and play. Just plug it in and it starts recording, as you can see. Okay. With that being done, we're now going to disconnect this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wire through. I'm going to connect it to the top somewhere, position where it works for me. Okay, let's turn off. I'm going to unplug it and connect the wires up. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. There's some microphone stuff, so this will probably stick it just like no find a slot. Does that fit there? Check. Just find a flat surface to put on. It really doesn't matter where. Okay. This here is not bad. Like right here. Okay. So now I'm just going to send the wire up. So I'm putting the microphone, I'm doing the same thing, putting it through. Inside. There you go. Yep. this. There we go. So now we have all our cables in here. Okay. So next step is I need to put them through the system. So I'm going to connect one more wire. This goes down. Okay guys, so now we're going to connect all the wires up. First thing we're going to do is so all the wires through. Microphone. Radio. USB port. Second USB port. Where's the channel? GPS and power and there's one more small one. Where is it? This one here, which I think is for the cameras. Okay, so now I'm going to start plugging in. So now on the device itself, you put in the RCA cable and you connect this, which is for the fan. You also connect this cable, which is for the reverse camera. Okay. One more thing we need to do is connect one of these two cables together. Yes, I'll show you how to do that now. So, you see this? Black, red, brown. Okay, so that brown one, that third one, is the one that we want. So I'm going to try and pull that out because that is the one that we need to connect to. Here we go. This is for the reverse camera. Okay, so I'm just going to put the plug through this. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two together. So go this one in. As it has. So I'm going to get my splicer. Give me a second. Put a little light. I'm just going to cut the tip off because I don't want that. Now, I'm going to put these two together, just like that, and I'm going to connect them. Okay, that's in, and there we go, so these are connected. Okay. Now, we're going to start plugging in all these wires. Let's start with long ones first. So I've got the, where is it? I've got this. USB ones, so I've got a 6-pin, I've got this one here for cameras, so I'll just start plugging them in. So, actually I'm going to do it by the closest, just to make my life a little bit easier. Plug in. And then, there's another one, try to find it. There it is. Plug in. Go, and then finally, plug in. There we go. Now all these are plugged in. We now need to plug in the GPS. So it's a bit of a pain to work with it, you have to keep spinning the thing. Hand tightening is fine, there's no need to make it any stronger than that. There we go. Then I'm going to plug in the radio, this one here. Then I'm going to plug in the microphone, which is this one here. There we go. Then we put this cable in here, which is the reverse camera cable, which is this one here. There we go. Okay, and then the most important one, which is the power cable. And that goes here. Okay. All these wires that we need to start tucking in. Okay. So what we're doing as well is we're keeping the old radio, the old system here, and we're going to hide it underneath. Okay, because this has the if you don't do that, the airbag fault will come up. So we're going to sort of tuck that underneath.